What if I told you that there is a way to boost traffic and engagement in your blog by using a specific type of email? This type of email is called RSS to email, and we will learn how to configure it today. Let's have a look. Alright, so now starting from the dashboard, we need to go to email marketing and RSS to email. Let's go here, and from here just click create RSS to email. And now we will stop for a second so that I can teach you how to find the RSS feed URL. So you will go to your blog right here, and you will go to view page source right here. And now what you need to do is to search. So if you are using a Mac, it will be Command F. If you're using PC, Control F, and we will search by RSS. Here you will find the URL right here. So this is what we will copy. This is what we need. Let's go, copy this, we can already close and go to the first tab. All right, I will paste it here. It will check, as you can see, there is a check mark. And now you just choose the frequency, right? Do you want people to be updated with every new post that you have, or you want to be reusing content? So for people that already have a lot of content in their blog, the second option might be the best, so that you reuse your content as well, right? And then you can choose the frequency over here. Let's say we'll do weekly, every Monday at 9. All right, and it will be based on the most recent. So let's choose 5 articles. Message name will be for me, so food blog, or like I will call it weekly food blog. And on the subject line, so this is what people will see. It will be a weekly digest, and then the RSS title. Of course, it will be replaced by this. This is just a little code. Then from, this is the email address that will be used to send this message, and we can go to the next step. This is where we will pick a template. You will see that this is very simple. It will take you to the drag and drop editor, and you will see that I can just change the logo here, for example. I already have one prepared. As you can see, it fits right here. And then, for example, we could drag text over here. As you can see, very easy to use this kind of editor. And as you can see, there is a button here, and I can write, for example, start cooking. Something very simple, just for you to get an idea. And now let's go to next step. This is where we pick our segment, so the people that will receive this digest. And I'll pick people on list E. You can select multiple lists, of course, or a specific segment over here. If you want to exclude someone, you can also do that. And let's go to the next step. All right, so it seems like everything is okay here. And something that you need to know is that RSS tends to perform much better than a normal newsletter, as it averages 4% above the normal open rate of a newsletter. So these are pretty good results, and also people click more often. So they will be engaging more with your blog, and this means that you will also be driving more traffic to your blog. And let's not forget that you can also check the statistics here. Have open rate, click rate, delivered, and also if you just go to the 3 vertical dots, you can click on statistics. So make sure that you are using RSS to email and get ready to boost engagements and traffic on your blog. I'll see you in the next video.